Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of the soldering series, where today we'll be applying the double pull double throw switch that we made last time. And it's basically 2 on and off switches in one, and it routes 2 separate circuits connecting each of 2 inputs to one of 2 outputs. The position of the switch determines the number of ways in which the 2 contacts can be routed, and the 2 circuits are separated but switched together by a single actuator, which is here, the switch part. So, in today's section, you'll need the actual board from last time, load, which in this case is just a simple DC motor. There's a power source, which in our case is a 9-volt battery. And you also need your soldering iron, your solder, coping hands are optional, and wire cutters if you need them, and solder remover in case you mess up, as well as wire strippers. So first you get these 2 wires on your board, labeled A and B, and you strip them. And let's strip the second one. Then we have to solder these wires to the DC motor. Good thing about using double pull double throw switch is that the direction of the wire placement doesn't matter too much as long as they're not touching each other. So there's no right way to do this, you just solder on like that. So let's get our solder and the soldering iron itself. And then we can secure these wires in place with our helping hands. And just have them touching. See, in this case it's a little long, so we can trim it with our wire cutters. Place it on. There we go. And now we solder. There we go. That should be the first connection all done. Then our second one, trim it a little bit. Then get our helping hands, attach it to the terminal, then we solder. Remember, have your eye protection. There we go. Connections look secure enough, and if you want them to look more prettier, you can just trim some of the more wild parts. And then you can connect your 9-volt battery. And then a functioning motor. Then, let's see. Alright, now that everything's all connected, you can just pull the lever and it'll send the motor in one direction. And then we pull it in the other direction, and then the fan goes in the reverse direction. This is the benefits of a double pull double throw switch. You can send the motor going both ways. And just one more demonstration. So yeah, this board is the controller for the motor. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and have a great evening.